Well, some say the federal WIC program, which provides critical services for low-income women, infant and children, needs an influx of cash to help address the rising food costs and a growing demand for services.
Senator Kirsten Gillibrand is calling for nearly $1.5 billion in additional funds. Natalie Kuchko explains where the greatest needs are for this support. Natalie.
Adam, Teresa, with food prices rising and more demand being seen even locally for the WIC program, there's concern over just how many families can be served in the coming year should this funding not be passed. As a funding deadline looms, lawmakers are calling for more support to the WIC program nationwide. This week, Senator Kirsten Gillibrand writing a letter to the House and Senate calling for $1.4 billion in emergency funding to support it. As she describes, the program could face a major funding shortfall, leaving tens of thousands of New Yorkers in need.
Preschoolers would be denied the nutrition assistance they need to grow healthy and strong. Pregnant women would be denied the help they need to get a healthy diet. And new mothers and their babies would be abandoned at a time that is critical for their health and well-being.
Those impacts would also be felt here at home as the demand for these services has gone up.
If we don't receive additional funding, food costs are going up. We're not going to be able to reach as many people as what we would like. And especially here in this community, the volume and the number of families that we have has increased. So we would want to make sure that we have funding to be able to provide the benefits for all of our WIC families.
With high food prices and a growing need, Gillibrand says she's hopeful Congress will close the gap.
It's imperative that Congress fully fund WIC to an adequate level that will serve the program's projected caseload, prevent families from being put on the wait lists or kicked off the program, and continue more than 25 years of bipartisan support.
And that deadline is a little less than 2 weeks from now, January 19th, again for Congress to approve this funding. In the studio, Natalie Kuchko, News 8.